Let me show you how to put back this USB port cover on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So first let's inspect the door. As you see, you have this tiny groove. So you see, and on the camera we have a pin here. So you see between these two red dots you have a metal pin. Essentially this one simply attaches on that pin. So it simply snaps on. But before you do it, you have to also make sure you have this slided out all the way. So what you do, you simply hold the cover button here. So simply hold with one finger and then you want to slide it out. So it's a bit fiddly to get it out. So in this position, so you see it's fully out now. And then we simply push it on. So make sure position like this. You probably have to place it in this angle here, looks like. So you see, as I'm showing. And then we simply attach it to that pin. Okay, so it is a bit fiddly. Also, you see, this likes to go back. So let's lose it again. This is not very easy, I would say. Okay, so finally, so you see it's essentially clicked on to that pin. And then, as you see, we can easily close it and open. If you are wondering how does the door removes, then you simply pull it with a bit of force and it simply comes off. Okay, like